Hello friends, welcome back to another session for my financial predictions and signals for cryptocurrencies. We have Bitcoin, Solana and Ethereum. Before I begin, of course, I invite you all to subscribe, share and like, because you guys know, especially the ones of you who have been following me for quite a while now, my signals is just, my accuracy is just unmatched, okay? This level, no one else has this. And I provide all of this valuable information for free. So today is the 9th of March. We saw a really big dip again for basically all cryptocurrencies. I really don't see any exceptions. Bitcoin, for example, touches all the way down almost to 79k. So this is quite dangerous. This is so far the lowest position in March. So it's, guys, how many times do I have to tell you guys? When I say that my accuracy is unmatched, I really mean it. And you can see it with your own eyes. The proof is out there. All you have to do is watch my videos. Every single month, every single year, every single day, you can see my accuracy is out of this world, really. And more I'm beginning to think this is just unnatural. Okay, this is really something divine, in my opinion, because to have this level of accuracy, I have never go below 70%, never. Okay, if you're watching my sports predictions, you can see also extreme levels of accuracy. Anyways, I'm kind of derailing right there. So we see a really big dip. I told you guys that March will be very dangerous because my signals were showing that it could not be a green month like many people were predicting. Many people were bullish because of Trump and because of all of his pro-crypto policies. None of that really matters, okay? You can see it right now, price is suffering really hard. And I told my people back some days ago that if this continues all the way into, let's say, around half of the month, something like 14 to 17 maybe, if this continues and the price does not climb right to a nice level, possibly around 90k, then it's really likely that we see a red March as well, because around these days I see nothing but corrections, okay? Especially the hardest ones around the 25, 26 and possibly on the last days of March. So yeah, guys, all of this I predicted. I warned you about this. I told you these will be very, very crazy days, and what's coming, it's possibly going to get even worse, because around the 10 to the 12, especially maybe the 12 or possibly the 11 of March, we're going to see another correction, another hard correction, and this is going to drive the price even lower possibly. So for example, yesterday we saw a complete range. This day offer basically nothing of trading opportunities, and I in the beginning I thought that it could be a volatile day because there were the signals right here on opposite energies for that day. But remember, guys, this is 90% accurate, this volatility pattern right here, but sometimes we get complete range, okay? This is normal. Every other signal has been extremely volatile. So for the next days, especially for tomorrow, maybe we can see maybe some kind of respite, but I think it's going to be very volatile and could be dominated by this red energy in the red box, the red danger zone right here that I just talked about. So be very aware of this. Price is really weak right now, so I don't see a really nice pump if we end up having one. It could be like around 5%, something like that. It's basically nowhere near this trend necessary to go to 90k. So yeah, guys, that's basically the outlook for Bitcoin. Now Solana is even worse because at least Bitcoin is recovering right now. With Solana is basically non-stop going down. The correction is even more pronounced, even more dangerous. And you can see it right here in the chart, 9 to the 10. We're going to be days where corrections for Solana. So the 10 for Solana is looking like, again, it could be very volatile, but especially also the 11. So Solana is showing more volatility, at least for the next couple days. So that's something to take into account whether you're going to short or long. Right now, obviously, the mood is extremely bearish. All the signals are pointing to a bearish trend. So there's really very little incentive to go long unless we hit green days. Okay, one of these days could be a nice recovery, for example, the 10 or the 11. But they're going to be very volatile, in my opinion. So you have to keep an eye out for these days. After that, again, just like Bitcoin, the range around 11 to 14 of March and possibly extending all the way to 15 is going to be a range of days where I think more corrections are going to basically drop the price even lower. This could continue around 16 to 19, but these days could provide some respite, maybe some kind of recovery. If we're lucky, we can see consecutive green days around starting from the 15 to the 20 maybe of March. Okay, so I hope at least we get 2 consecutive days. If we get more, that's perfect, but I really hope that we get at least 2. I told you guys that I know we're going to recover. This is nowhere near, this is not the end of the bull run. So for any of you guys who are very worried about your portfolios, I mean, obviously everyone is down right now. Okay, even me. The difference is that I'm making money shorting these cryptocurrencies because I knew in advance that March was not going to be a very profitable month for longs. Because I, of course, as you can see right now with your own eyes, I know exactly the days where we're going to see some powerful corrections. Okay, so that's really the key right now. Okay, to make money even on bearish markets. But what I'm saying, or what my point originally was, is that we are nowhere near the top. Okay, we're going to see the top soon. I cannot say the exact date. Some people that I have contact or have basically, how can I say it? They have paid basically for predictions in the past, or are very supportive of my work, something like that. I have extra information for those people, so they can also know in advance which months are going to be also very bullish. Because it's coming, guys, it's coming. That's all I can say. Okay, it's coming, so you better prepare yourself for that. Okay, the next and final crypto chart, we have Ethereum, which is also suffering right now. Went below 2000, so again, for the first time since basically the first 3 days of March, around these days. And again, just like the Solana chart, Ethereum was also showing corrections around the 9 to possibly the 10, especially very hard corrections. You can see right here, the 9 extreme correction. It's basically, let's see what the percentage is. To the lowest position, it's around 10%, almost 9% basically. So yeah, it's quite big. It's a quite really very powerful correction. And again, these boxes, that's exactly what they represent. Okay, expect some powerful movements around the boxes. So everything that I just said for the other cryptocurrencies can apply to Ethereum as well. The performance is not really the best. So right now, Bitcoin is the best performing cryptocurrency, Solana being the worst, and closely followed by Ethereum. But we can see maybe some recovery around these days, maybe 10, maybe 11. Possibly. And yeah, basically that's all I have for you. I'm still working on other stuff, guys, so be patient. Many people are already asking for the Telegram group. I have no problem making the Telegram group right now. It's just that I'm discovering that my powers, my abilities, whatever you want to call them, they have way more applications. Okay, I have made some amazing discoveries, not just on crypto or sports. I mean, this is really deep, guys, and it's so deep that I just cannot reveal this on YouTube like that likely. So it's going very deep. That's all I can say. It's going really, really deep. So it's basically the time impediment that I have. Okay. If I had more hours in a day, then you could already have the Telegram group by now. But I really need to finish my work on other areas, on other applications that I'm actually putting my powers and abilities into before I can make the Telegram group. But yeah, guys, it's going to come, and as you can see, I'm going to share more free signals. I'm even possibly going to share my own trades, something like that. I mean, the meme coins, all of that kind of stuff. So yeah, it's coming, guys. Just be patient. So having said that, I wish you a good day. Again, invite you all to subscribe, share, and like. Give me your comments, all of that, and I'll see you guys next time. Take care.